Today I'm going to create first our WPF application. In order to create the WPF application, I'm starting the Visual Studio 2050 now. Okay, now I start the Visual Studio. Now I'm going to create the new project. Take a new project. Now I need to, in order to create the WPF application, I need to select the Windows. Here in the Windows we have the different types of applications, but for my requirement I am selecting the WPF application. So here I am specifying the WPF application as first WPF application. So now I am specifying like this. I am clicking on OK. It is now creating. See, when you're creating the WPF application, when you see the Solution Explorer, you have the different types of files are there. See, app.xaml and main window.xaml. Let us discuss here. First, we will discuss what is the references needed for WPF in order to create the WPF application. When you click on here, you can able to see presentation.core and presentation framework. So these presentation.core and presentation framework, these are the main TLS for the in order to create the WPF applications. Remaining things are remaining namespaces will come in the any application, but presentation.core and presentation.framework, these will come particularly for the WPF application. Now when you come to the properties, we have the assembly information and we have the resources.ix and we have the settings information. And what is the app.xaml? This is the starting point for the WPF application. For example, if we created the console application, then what is the starting point? The starting point for the application is program.cs file. In the program.cs file, you have the main method. So the main method is the starting point. At the same time, at the same way, for the WPF application, main window, app.xml is the starting point. In the app.xml, we have in the application tag, we have the start URI. This start URI, we will specify the which form is needs to be loaded first. Then here in the app.xml, we have the app.xaml.cs. Here we can able to specify some initial interaction logic for the XML. We can able to write some initialization logic. Then we have the main window.xml. This is the window which is loaded first. For example, we can able to specify the different window. Now I am clicking on the main window.xml. When you click on main window.xml, you will see there are two views. One is design view, that means this one, and another one is XAML view. So either view we can able to work. Here, for example, if you want to work to the XAML view, then you can write the XAML code and it will reflect in the design view. If you wanted to work in the design mode, then you can able to work in the design mode and that will reflect in the XAML view. For example, see here, now I have the one grid here. So now I'm going to add one button. For example, I'm specifying one button. So then what happens? The button is created here. For example, if I added one label by using the toolbox, this is the toolbox. It will contains the all the controls present in the WPF of WPF. So basically, the tooling is loaded. So here there are different WPF applications. For example, I'm moving one label control. I'm placing here. Then what happens? Automatically, that label information, that label, the XAML for the corresponding label is created here. So you can able to work either from the designer or from the XML view, and you can able to change the properties from the XML view, XAML view, or from the you can able to change the properties from the like properties window also. For example, I selected the button. When I click on F4, I can able to get the details of the button. Here I can able to change the properties of the button. For example, I wanted to change the text. I can able to check. I can able to search here and see there is no text for no. There is no content for the button. Now I can click like click. See what happens? See, it will add the content to the button. That means it will add the text to the button. So I can able to change from there, and I can able to change from here also. For example, I want to specify the margin. I am specifying 4. That means it will take all the sides. It will take 4. For example, I am specifying the 20. It will take the 20 as a margin from all the sides. So I can able to change the properties either from the XAML or from the properties window. And here we have the different types of different views are there. For example, if this view I am not visible, then I can able to adjust the zoom. For example, I can able to specify the 100%. I can able to specify the 20%. I can able to specify the 200% or something according to the my requirement. And I can able to click on these different things. I can able to get the different things according to the clicking. So I will explain those things later. But for now, we can able to change the result. You can able to zoom in, zoom out by using this one. And whenever you created the new project, we will get the main.xaml, and we will also get the main.xaml.cs. In the main.xaml.cs, you can write the C# code. So here we can able to separate the design from the backend code. Now the design is using the XAML, which is using the XML. and the code is using the C sharp. So for example, if I wanted to, if I run this program and I wanted to get some welcome message, I want to get some welcome message. So what I will do is I will select the button and I will create the, I will double click on it, because I click on F4 and I will select the these are the properties and these are actions. For example, I am selecting this one. I wanted to click on button, so I am clicking on here. So then what happens is it will take me to the code view. Then I will specify message box dot show. I am specifying some code. Hello world. So now I can able to click on here and I will save all things. When I click on start, because I set initially it is set as main.xml is a start page, so it will load as a starter page. So when I click on this button, see I got the message. For example, if I created the another form, new item, new window, simply new window. So I will do this one as second window. Now I wanted to load this one as the starting window. So what I need to do is I need to go to the app.xml and I need to specify this second window. Then when I run this one, I will get the second window as the start window. You can able to do the different exercises like uh, different tests by using the first application. That's it for today. Thank you.